Squad. Yes, what are you guys looking at? You're looking at my crock pot. Just because you saw that thumbnail, that is my pork roast right there. Guys, this big old shoulder, I paid $11 for it at Shoppers. It was a good buy. Now, we're going to get this started. This is a soul crock pot meal. It takes about 8 hours to cook this pulled pork. You're not seeing me because your girl is a mess, okay? And this is a slow pork. I'm just going to show you guys, watching me place it in here, doing what we got to do, season it and everything. But at the end, once I done all cleaned up, got myself together, I will most definitely show you guys me and how we're gonna put this sandwich this sandwich together with some coleslaw and good traditional pulled pork. And this is what I want to do first. I gotta get somebody to hold this right here while I do what I do. Hey, come here, Jack. Jack just got home from summer school. Got it tomorrow, the last day. Like I said, it really wasn't summer school. He was like, well, he won't forget the things that he learned because he's starting the 8th grade. It's like a review for 2 weeks. Hold this camera right here. Come on.
Okay.
Say what's up, Soul Squad.
This is correct.
Okay. So, guys, I'm going in. What I have here, go right here. I have 1 can of chicken broth and 1 can of apple juice. And when I say a can of apple juice, I have this right here. I use this Swanson can of chicken broth. I poured it in there, and I poured some apple juice, a whole can of apple juice stuck in there. And now I'm about to place my pork in here.
Ew.
It barely fit. No, it barely fit. Lord. Okay, my pork is in there. And with this is what I'm seasoning. Ooh, I'm kicking stuff. Hope you guys see. This is what I'm seasoning with. I'm going to say start off with 2 teaspoons of everything. I'm just going to do my garlic powder. We doing something. My onion powder. And remember, once you mix it all up at the end, when the 8 hours is over, after you some pepper, after you pull it apart and everything, then you can taste the meat, and if you need some more seasoning, you can. Because I'm just sprinkling. The only thing I'm really going in with a measuring is I'm using 1 tablespoon. That's teaspoon, guys. The small one is a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And you can add some salt in here, but this flag is all around me. But I have Lori seasoning salt, so I'm just going to place, do some of that, a dab of this, a dab of that. And then, to top it off, I got a 1/2 cup. I did measure that. A 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Yes. And my crock pot is already on high. It's plugged up. It's going to cook for 4 hours on high. And then come back, stir it up, and then on 4 hours on low. And then we're going to shred it, put in some good old barbecue sauce, put it on a roll with coleslaw. On the roll with coleslaw, and that's going to be it. This is a good meal. That's going to be last. That's going to be it. Don't you shaking the camera, man. Come on, Jack. This is a good meal. You say, give me my camera. See, I got to get aggressive with him. He laughing because I said this is going to be it. Guys, all you have to do now is like sit it and forget about it. Go do what you need to do. Take care of your business. Run some errands. Clean your house. Do whatever. But when we come back in 4 hours, it's an 8-hour slow cook meal, pulled pork. Soul Squad, I think you're going to like this one. So Soul Squad, I am back. No, you're still not getting me because I am busy in the house today. Cleaning closets and doing all kinds of stuff. So I'm just not up.
Y'all want to see her? I put the camera on her real quick.
Don't play with me.
Nah, I ain't gonna do that.
Don't play with me, Michael Middleton. I look a hot mess. So guys, I just turned this to low. It's been 4 hours. So I want you guys to see what it looked like. I just turned to low. It's been 4 hours. And see how the garlic and stuff is still sitting on top?
Oh, that smells good.
Yes. But somebody might say, oh, you don't flip it.
That smells amazing. I'm not a big pork eater, but bacon.
Yeah, but I'm going to flip this. Oh, look at this. I want to flip it because I want some of them juices and stuff to get to the top of this.
Oh yeah, y'all pork lovers gonna love this, man.
And I'm just gonna let this thing cook. Look, yeah, I flipped it. Oh no, she shouldn't have flipped it. It works out for me when I flip it. I just get all the moisture. I'm gonna let this cook for another 4 hours, guys. Then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna shred it. I'm gonna make some coleslaw. No, not homemade, because your girl is tired. I'm doing everything, you know, instant, except for this. So 4 more hours on this, guys. And when we come back, I'm gonna take it off, put it on a plate, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and shred it, and then place it back in here, put some barbecue sauce on it, let it heat up for another good 10, 15 minutes, and then these people are gonna eat in this house. We'll be right back. So squad, look at that. It has been 8 hours, and what I did the last 30 minutes, I actually turned the pork roast back over, and now what we're about to do, I'm about to take it out of here, and I'm gonna let it sit on my plate for like 10 minutes. So all the juices, I don't want to cut and tear right into it, but I'm gonna let it sit on the plate like for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I made my coleslaw really quick. So I'm gonna pick this up, and I know a lot of people's like, you didn't have to flip it, you could just let it cook. I could have, but that's how I do mine. I flip it over, and I just want all my juices. In the last 30 minutes, I flipped it back. But if you don't want to flip it, you're not comfortable, get you a turkey baster and just let all of your juices. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
You have to do it quick.
Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh. That looks so yummy. I'm gonna sit that to the side. I am gonna take some of the juice out of my thing, but I'm not gonna take all of it out the crock pot, because when I put it back in with the barbecue sauce, oh guys. Okay, coleslaw already pre-done as far as like cut up with the carrots. I added in here 2 tablespoons, like this big tablespoon of mayonnaise. I sprinkle a teaspoon of sugar and 2 capfuls of this white vinegar. And that's all to it. I didn't feel like cutting it up, and I didn't get the dressings, but I make my own sauce, and I added a little pepper. And this is going to top our pork sandwich. It's something that everybody loves in my house. Y'all, it's late. When I say it's late, it's 10:30 at night. Because I started this thing, I started it late, but I wanted to cook this whole 8 hours because I want it to be wonderful. So this is nice and stirred up. Not much, I didn't make a lot, because by being in the bag, I could just add some more. But everybody didn't want any. They eat theirs plain. So, what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna get rid of some of that juice, not all of it, because you don't want to dry pork roast. I'm just gonna get rid of a little bit. See, it rendered down, it went down some, it cooked down, because remember, it's all the way up there. But I'm gonna get rid of about half of it, and we come back in 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how I shred the pork, stick it back in a little bit of juice I'm gonna leave in there, add your favorite barbecue sauce. I have my favorite barbecue sauce, and let it go, you know, about 10 minutes. Just let it all get in together. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's 10:30 at night. We'll be right back. So squad, we back. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all, when I say this meat tastes good, oh my God, look how juicy it is. This meat is good. And just get you a fork. This thing cooked for 8 hours, people. And look how much juice I left in the pan. I took a lot of it out. I'm gonna stir it up. I'm gonna put my meat, oh my goodness gracious. It's nice and done. And it's, look how juicy.
We had a dog. They can have that bone.
Yes, I don't have, look at that, yes, look at that bone. Yes,
All that meat fell off that bone.
Look at, that's how well I cooked. Ooh, little meat flying. How well I cooked it. I'm gonna set my bone right down on the counter. Set it to the side. I just had my big fork, a little fork, and I'm just pulling it apart, you guys. Thank you for bearing with me with this video, because I just been so busy today. Didn't have time to do nothing, get dressed, do anything. Oh, yes. The kids are going to love this. Even though I have to rest it for like 12, 13 minutes.
Now, what if you don't eat pork? Can you substitute it with
Girl,
roast?
chicken.
Oh, chicken, okay.
You can do a pork roast. It just gotta be tender. But nothing like this good old pork when you cook it right. And it's 8 hours that it's been cooking. How it just fall apart and it's still so juicy. But now they want me to do a pulled chicken just because some people in the house don't eat the pork. So yes, I told them I have to get 2 chickens. I don't know if 2 chickens gonna fit in my crock pot though. And I think if you don't have a crock pot, because I always only do it in a crock pot, you probably could do it on the stove in a nice pan, same ingredients, let it cook down low. It only take a couple of minutes to do what I'm doing. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my big spoon just to help me get it back in all them juices. Again, you don't want to dry pork. And I might still, once I get it in there, look like I may still have to take some more of the juices out. You don't want to dry pork. I'm going to drain a little bit more of that juice out before I get it in there. So what I'm going to do, guys, you know this is going in there. I'm going to drain a little bit more juice out because I don't want, the barbecue sauce. I don't want it to be runny. I really want the barbecue sauce to stick to the meat. But also I want the meat to be really juicy and stay that way. But I need to drain a little bit more of this juice out. I'm going to drain it out, put the barbecue sauce on it, and bring y'all to the final step. Okay, so Spark, this is my pulled pork. It's in the crock pot. Look at it. I drained out the juice, but I did leave just a little. So I told you, it's so juicy. But I wanted to leave a little bit of juice in there just because I just need to. And look at this. That piece of fat that was underneath there, I pulled all that meat off. My hands are here like, woo, woo, woo. And your favorite barbecue sauce. Guys, the seasons that I put on here, I didn't need to add any more seasoning to this. That brown sugar flavor is coming through. Yeah, I'm gonna stir this up real quick. And as much barbecue sauce as you like for you and your family. Find your baby crying. She's saying, "Dee." Yes. I just want to stir it up, get it all through. Ooh, look at me. Did I burn you?
You got on my shirt.
Oh, my bad.
My
I'm sorry. You know why? 'Cause I should be using my fork because it's so, just to pick it up and move it around.
Yeah.
Now, guys, if you want to add onions or anything to this, you can. I like mine as well seasoned, top with the barbecue sauce. If anybody don't know, you should know. It's Baby Ray in this house. I use a whole jar.
Yep.
I don't think I need any more. I like the barbecue taste. I just want to give it that flavor. So I'm going to let this sit in here. It depends on the children. Like, Mom, add some more barbecue sauce. I'll add some more. For me, I think it's just right. The whole bottle. I'm going to put the top on here. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Then we're going to plate it. My pulled pork is finished. It came out amazing. If it's not enough barbecue sauce for you guys, add as much barbecue sauce as you like. But it's enough for us. You know what I'm saying? This looks so good.
Look at all that swine.
Seriously? You would do that in a video? Seriously, look at all that swine. That's why everybody in my house will eat it. I gotta make, my son said it tastes good. I don't kill my kids, y'all. But my son said it tastes good. He said it tastes like that Tennessee one that I get from Shoppers. Not from Shoppers, from BJ's. And this is my coleslaw. And you can top it without the coleslaw, with the coleslaw, however.
So this is a real southern dish.
However, ever you like it. Guys, again, I apologize for the hand video today. Me, myself, I was just all over the place. Look at that. That's my pulled pork. Guys, I am going to, I don't know where my napkins at. I never know where my napkins at to wipe my stuff off. So, I'm going to end this video with my version of pulled pork. 8 hours, you guys. So squad, you don't have to flip it if you don't want to. You get your turkey baster and juice all those juices on there. What else? As much barbecue sauce as you like or as less as you like. But a good 8 hours, guys. You have the most tender pulled pork. Don't forget to get my cook in the description bar below. Yeah, I want to thank everybody who's been supporting my channel, been watching my channel, and everything. What else I want to say? I'm tired. Okay, until next time, I am out, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get this video up to at least 5, 10. You can do it. You can do it. 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes, you guys. Until next time, I will see you Saturday on the Couch. Hope you guys enjoy this salsa recipe. Until next time, guys. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified. Let's slam this thing one more time. I'm sweaty. It's hot in this kitchen. I am out of here. I love you so far.